Hey, what's up you guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make an iced green tea lemonade, Starbucks style. The first thing you're going to need is a pitcher. You can get these pretty much anywhere, HomeSense, Loblaws, Walmart. Just something a little bit larger. This is probably about a liter in size.
You'll also need some honey, a green tea of your choice, and lemonade.
What you're going to want to do next is fill up a kettle and bring it to a boil.
While you're waiting for your water to boil, you can take some honey or any sweetener of your choice and just gently line the bottom of your pitcher. I use about 2 tablespoons, but you can use as much or as little as you want. Next, you're going to want to take your tea of choice. I'm using the honey lemon ginseng Tetley green tea, and you're going to add 5 tea bags to the bottom of your pitcher. Next, you're going to want to take a wooden spoon and fill up the pitcher about halfway with boiling water. At Starbucks, I just always eyeballed this, same as what I'm doing now. You can add more or less. As long as it's about half, you're good to go. We're just going to give this mixture a good stir to make sure that honey is incorporated with the tea, and then you can let that sit for 10 minutes to really steep. So now you're going to fill up the rest of that pitcher with some regular old tap water. If you want to use filtered water, by all means, but I'm keeping it #real and #humble. So you're going to fill it almost all the way to the top, leave a little bit of room so that you can put the lid on without any tea spilling out. And afterwards, you're just going to take that wooden spoon again and fish out those tea bags. Ugh, I hate that word.
Okay guys, so now that we've let our green tea sit for anywhere from 5 to 10 to 15 minutes, we are going to shake it up. This step is optional. You could always just combine 1/3 tea to 1/3 lemonade to 1/3 ice in a cup and stir. That's totally fine, but since we're trying to go for the Starbucks look and feel today, we're going to be shaking it up in a shaker. You guessed it.
And when you shake this, you're going to want to shake it 10 times or for 10 seconds. That was always my move at Starbucks. People will be flipping these upside down in the air. But yeah, I'm not trying to spill out this entire drink, so a good little shake is all you need.
And so here you have it guys, this is my at-home green tea lemonade. Let's give it a taste. That is perfect, totally hits the spot. It's delicious. I highly recommend you guys try this at home. Cheers to green tea lemonades.